First off, I didn't wanna write a song about how much I missed you and how we never got along. In retrospect, I thought you would've moved on, but breakups come common when the two folks don't get along. Bickering, fighting all the time, throwing shit at walls, and I'm right up in your line. A fire, my desire, I remember when you used to stick to me like a leech. I breached the feet, now it feels like I'm down in bleach. What you can't teach, what I give to hear you preach. All the cute things that you used to say when you tell me it would be okay. I lost another day, missing my love in the weirdest way, and I'm wishing she'd be here to say, calm down, Gibbs, it'll be okay, and you know I'll be back someday. Until then,